Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this early morning vlog with the ONEPLUS 11. We're in the dark. And I was getting a little bored driving at 30 miles an hour, so I thought I'd shoot a little video here and chit chat with all of you as I drive on a layer of ice with snow, a lot of snow on the sides of the roads. I got up to about 9-10 inches of snow where I live. I got my cables on, so I plowed through it. You're not supposed to go any faster than right around 30 miles an hour when you got cables on. It is cold out there, man. It says 24 degrees on the panel here, my dash, but with the wind chill factor, it's a lot colder than that. It's not heavy winds, but it's still a little wind chill out there, bringing that temp down. How can something so beautiful be so dangerous? But it is beautiful. It is dangerous out there. Gotta respect it. Gotta be humble. Symbolism, man. Got things going on at once. Beautiful and dangerous. Symbolism. I gotta take my time on this little hill. Got the trucks out here. I think they're laying down some salt. They had a salt outlawed here for quite a few years, and then they just reinstated it about a couple years ago, I think. Supposed to warm up to about 37 this afternoon, which could bring some melt to the roads as the cars travel on it. But yet the cold, this guy's stuck. He's not going anywhere. He needs cables. He's got those low profiles with no cables. Really pretty rims on that car that I just passed up. Man, it looks good. The low profiles, nice looking rims look good, but in this type of weather, they just, for the most part, don't work. They don't work, man. Put cables on, scratch up those pretty rims. Now on my cables, on the metal buckles that hit up against my black rims, I got me a little white Subaru with some really nice rims. That matte black look. I put duct tape around those metal buckles so it doesn't scratch up my rims. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I want to say thank you for watching all the content. Not getting a ton of views on the ONEPLUS 11. Which makes sense. A lot of views on my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, on the device itself, case reviews, but I appreciate those of you that have come by and check out the content. Really, really do. For those of you asking about cases for the ONEPLUS 11, Tudia will be sending me out out some cases here within the next week. So then you got the shipping time. So we still got almost about 2 weeks for that. Poetic is sending me out the Guardian and the Revolution. So those should be here within hopefully the next week. UAG is getting back to me on whether they're going to actually release any cases. So I'll be hearing back from UAG here soon on that. Rinky, I do not think is going to release any cases. And Ghost Tech is getting back to me on that as well. So we do have a couple companies that are releasing cases. Again, Poetic and Tudia. So, because there's not a lot of choices, at least from the names that are really reputable. So, stay tuned for those videos, for those of you asking. Which is really important because a lot of you are looking for protection for your investment for your OnePlus 11, which is a great device. I put out an update video, you can check that out. It's really not a lot to say because it's still about only a week since I've had the OnePlus 11, but so far enough to let me know that battery life is going to be great. Performance functionality, unless something comes up, has been awesome. Connectivity, which should be number one at the top of the list. So, you know, for those of you that wanted wireless charging, you're not going to get that. You get 80-watt fast charging though. You get a wall charger in the package, which is really cool. And yeah, you don't see that too much anymore. All right, everybody, I'm coming up on a hill here. Get down the hill, and then I'm going to let you all go. Appreciate you hanging out. I figured by Sunday we'll start seeing a hefty meltdown. And I'm going to stop right here in the middle of the road. Boy, it is slick right there, so I can take a drink of my Mickey D's coffee. Nice and chill with the Mickey D's. Got some 4K video in the snow, 8K video in the snow, which I wouldn't suggest shooting 8K video while driving, even on a regular map, because it's just, there's no stabilization when you're shooting an 8K 24 frames per second. You're not going to get stabilization. So it's best on a tripod when shooting video of cityscape, landscape, when you're standing still. 4K, well, that's a different story. All right, here comes the hill, man. It's not a big hill, but, you know, when it's a sheet of ice. All right, it's a green light. I want to go slow. That hit a little slippery area there. There is another route I could have taken that has a few little hills that are not as steep as that one, even though that's not super steep. But again, on the ice, it's gotta watch it. But the little tiny hills slowly decline. You know what I'm saying? Well, I could have taken Gleason, and that would have been a little tiny hill to the next little tiny hill. It's kind of a straightaway, then a little tiny hill, then a straightaway, then a little tiny. You know what I'm talking about, man. But this road had that overpass, and then that hill there, which if you don't have any cables, man. Small car, even trucks, man. People driving trucks get arrogant. I see a lot more trucks abandoned than I see cars. And I think for the most part it's the driver, it's not the truck. They think they can come out here in this weather and disrespect it. The weather laughs back. Again, symbolism. All right, I'm out, everybody. Thanks for watching. God bless you all. Stay safe and healthy, especially if you have weather like this. I'm out.